To download latest version of Cisco Packet Tracer for Windows, go to this URL, netacad.com/resources/lab-downloads. You have to log in before downloading Packet Tracer. If you don't have an account, click the Sign Up link in the login page and create one using your email. Once you've logged in, go back to the Lab Downloads page and download the 64-bit Windows installer. Okay, the download is complete. Now let's install the Packet Tracer. When you start Packet Tracer for the first time, you have two login options: Networking Academy and Skills for All. Networking Academy is for students who have enrolled in Cisco Networking Academy courses. Skills for All is for anyone who wants to use Packet Tracer to learn and practice networking skills. I haven't enrolled in any Cisco courses, so I'll go with the Skills for All option. And don't worry, you can switch between the two options anytime you want. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows 11. You now can start working on your networking skills. And one more thing, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.